They said it would never happen, but it's happening right now. 21 new gun rulings in 2025 that are flipping the Second Amendment upside down. Federal judges are shredding restrictions like junk mail, while states scramble to ban your rifles faster than you can even reload. And listen to this, back in September, a federal court told the ATF their own rules were so confusing, regular citizens couldn't even follow them. Oh, and law number 1. It's so massive that overnight, 12 states had their entire permit systems obliterated. Quick disclaimer before we dive in, this isn't legal advice. I'm just a guy reading actual court documents and telling you what the judges wrote. Always check your state laws, and if you're unsure, talk to a real attorney, not some dude on YouTube. Alright, buckle up, because these 21 laws, they change everything. Law 21, the Colorado Nightmare Bill. Colorado just went full throttle with the wildest ban since the 1990s. Senate Bill 3 bans nearly every semi-auto rifle and shotgun with a detachable mag, R15. Gone. A K-47. Gone. Even many hunting rifles. Governor Polis signed it while literally saying, "This will make Colorado safer." Funny thing, their murder rate doubled after passing 23 other gun control laws. Starting August 2026, if you want one of these rifles, you'll need sheriff's permission plus 12 hours of training over 2 days, and the sheriff can deny you for basically any reason. Gun stores are warning that 80% of their inventory is about to become illegal. First offense equals misdemeanor. Second offense equals felony. Welcome to the Colorado crackdown. Law 20, Supreme Court ducks assault weapons. On June 2nd, the Supreme Court refused to hear Maryland and Rhode Island's assault weapon bans. 3 justices wanted it, but you need 4. Justice Thomas was furious, writing, "I would not wait to decide whether the government can ban the most popular rifle in America." Translation? The fight isn't over. 2026 could be the year our 15 bans finally get their day at the High Court. Law 19, ghost guns survive. For now. In March, SCOTUS voted 7-2 to let the ATF regulate unfinished frames and kits. Meaning, companies selling 80% lowers now need licenses and serial numbers. But here's the kicker, the court never explained which kits actually count as firearms. So right now, nobody knows what's legal and what's not. Classic government move, right? Law 18, waiting periods obliterated. Maine tried a 72-hour waiting period. Dead. New Mexico tried 7 days. Nuked. Judges are saying flat out, rights delayed are rights denied. If the founders didn't use waiting periods in 1791, modern states can't use them either. Dominoes are falling fast on this one. Law 17, California ammo background checks dead. The Ninth Circuit struck them down in July. Californians can now order ammo online again. The state that invented gun control just watched its ammo laws collapse. Law 16, red flag laws under siege. Courts are shredding them for lack of due process. Texas and Montana banned enforcement in 2025. The new rallying cry, the Second Amendment is not a second-class right. Law 15, concealed carry reciprocity on the rise. H.R. 38 is gaining momentum. With Trump's backing, your carry permit could soon work nationwide like a driver's license. 29 states already have constitutional carry. North Carolina is about to be number 30. The tide is turning. Law 14, self-defense shield expands. Florida strengthens stand your ground. North Carolina eliminated excessive force restrictions inside your home. One Army vet even beat murder charges using these new protections. Prosecutors are losing their grip on self-defense cases. Law 13, Illinois assault weapon ban in trouble. Trump's Dodge literally switched sides and is fighting against Illinois gun ban. If it falls, expect a chain reaction in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Law 12, pistol brace rule dead. The ATF's pistol brace rule, gone. Judges said even the ATF couldn't explain its own law. Braced pistols are legal again, no registry, no tax stamps, no prison time. Law 11, young adults can conceal carry. Minnesota's ban on 18 to 21-year-olds carrying is gone. Courts ruled, if you can vote and die for your country, you can carry a gun. The age discrimination wall is crumbling. Law 10, ATF zero tolerance policy killed. Gun stores no longer lose licenses over paperwork errors. The war on flesh is over for now. Law 9, Trump's Gun Rights Executive Order. Executive Order 14,206 forces review of every Biden gun regulation. Federal prosecutors are dropping cases left and right instead of defending bad laws. Law 8, Machine Gun Ban questioned. A Mississippi judge ruled there's no historical basis for banning machine guns. Yes, full auto is back on the table. Law 7, Gun Registry records destroyed. The D.C. Circuit ordered the ATF to delete millions of records. The federal gun registry is dead. Law 6, no immunity for gun rights violations. Cops can now be sued personally for violating Second Amendment rights. One officer already owes $2 million out of pocket. Law 5, ammo gets full protection. The D.C. Circuit ruled ammo equals guns. Restrictions on bullets are unconstitutional. Without ammo, a gun's just an expensive club. Law 4, nationwide permit recognition. The Third Circuit forced states to honor out-of-state carry permits. Your Utah permit now works in New York. Backdoor national reciprocity is here. Law 3, home manufacturing protected. Making your own guns 3D printing 80% lowers is constitutionally protected. The ATF's war on ghost guns, dead on arrival. Law 2, Florida's open carry ban struck down. A judge ruled open carry is the default mode of bearing arms. Florida is now officially an open carry state. Law 1, handgun sales age ban destroyed nationwide. The federal ban on handgun sales to 18 to 20-year-olds nuked. The court pointed straight to the 1792 Militia Act. 18-year-olds were expected to bring their own guns. The judge didn't appeal, which means for now young adults nationwide can buy handguns. These 21 rulings are tearing down decades of gun control. The Second Amendment isn't just words on paper anymore, it's being enforced hard. The revolution already happened, and almost nobody noticed. Stay dangerous, stay legal, stay free.